And Washtuff is the rain. The Bosch-G
Not of the rain.
is of the rain.
Of the rain.
So the Yaska and the Bosch-G is because of the rain. Okay? And you can say he didn't come because of it. Near Honig Shed Da Yaska. Da Yaska. Because of it. So literally from its cause, result, or something like that, Da Yaska is, yeah, so the Je changes to Ah. And it's basically combining the Ah meaning it's, okay? Or you may hear sometimes near Honig Shed Da Yaska Shin because of that, okay? Alright? So back to the main sentence. Ta the Horus Nerogach. Koriha. The Yaska and Yomerka Olachaim. Agus Ihan Tamala. Okay. And he goes on, Agus New to Akli. And the word Akli there, fit. Okay? And then 24. Kade and Lais ata agat ershin ajiri kolum. So Kade and Lais ata agat ershin. So what is your solution for that? You can. The word Lais I said earlier was medicine, but it's used to mean solutions. And
Remedy?
remedy, yeah. And so healing, okay? There's an expression, if you can't do something, you can't do anything about it, you can say Nil Lysagam Air. So I don't have any medicine on it. Or I can't fix it, yeah, okay? I can't do anything about it, basically. Nil Lysagam Air. Or you can say Nil Lyser, there's nothing you can do about it, okay? So I would translate this more like solution or something than necessarily a medicine. He's just asking what can you do, not necessarily what medicine do you have, okay? Could be either way in this case, but so Kare and Lais ata agat ershin. Ajiri kolum.
For B, can you say neolysicum show? I can't do anything about that.
Ersho.
Ersha.
What about this? Yeah. So you put the sho or shin after the air. Say this or that. Okay. Number 25. Nach leer dich a door ten dochter gesharov. So nach leer dich a, isn't it clear to you? Okay. Said the doctor bitterly, gesharov. Okay. Yeah.
Because the guy's dead.
Yeah. He's having to deal with this guy, I think.
He's ruining his life
Yeah.
and you can't see it.
Okay.
But
Maybe.
Why would the
It's not
doctor
over
care?
Why would the doctor be bitter?
Well, the doctor resents the fact that he's a rich guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wasting his time, wasting his time. So nach leer dich a door ten dochter gesharov. And yeah, I mean, just finished telling him that, you drink too much. He goes, what can you do about it?
And he's gone to a people's clinic for poor people, and
Yeah.
he is a rich guy
Yeah,
whose only thing is that he's overindulging.
this actually comes up in the story later too, so, yeah.
See, you read ahead
Have you read this before?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah. Okay. So then it goes on, the doctor says, Mas mian lat ve imar dechlansha, ni mor ditch and kinyal sail ta agat fuilacher ahru. So, mas mian lat, first of all, means if you want. So if it is a desire with you, if you want. Ve is to be. Imar dechlansha, in the top of your health. Bar is top. Dechlansha, your health, so in the top of your health, or in good health. Ni mor ditch. The expression ni mor duh means to have to do something. So ni mor ditch, you have to. And kinyal sail ata agat fuilaher, the type of life, and kinyal sail ata agat that you have fuilaher at present. Okay? Banesh or fuilaher both mean at present. Okay, right now. Fuilaher. Ahru, to change. Okay? So, a couple more examples of the nimor. So, nimor dom imacht, I have to go. Okay? or you have to do it tonight. Ní mordich yen of a nocht. Okay.
Me would seem to be like it was negative.
Literally, it's something like it is not big for you to do it, so you have to do it. It doesn't necessarily make sense. So you just kind of you want to get the idea that ni more da together has the idea of having to do something. It's hard because a lot of the words have multiple meanings. The combined meaning doesn't always have anything to do with the individual meaning. So ni more da. Yeah. Okay, so mas mian lat ve imar de juanche ni mordich and kinyal sail ta agat filaher ahru. Okay, change. And then 27, the war de wua sachranpur galen tu de gach mian a woolen tu. So dewar means because of, again. Okay, so dewar dewua is because of your victory or your win. Sachranhur in the lottery. Galen tu, you give in. Gale is one of the short words. It does the same as like ihin and olin. Galen, give in. You give in. The gach mian to every fancy or every desire. A woolen tu that strikes you. Okay. And dewar, like the yaska, takes the genitive after. So bior is beer, but because of the beer, dewar na biorach, you are sick now. Tatu tinanish. Okay? Dewar na biorach, tatu tinanish. Or dewar na baschi, tatu fluch, because of the rain you're wet. Okay? So dewar and the yaska both mean because of. Okay? And to say you're sick because of it, tatu chin da war. Kind of like da yaska we had above. Okay? And to say consequently, you say da war shin. So because of that, da da da. Okay? So, dewar de wua sakranpur. Galen tu. The gach mian. A woolen tu. Okay. And next one. Tatu ik asan wish shinanish.
27.
Yeah.
What does mian mean after the go?
Gach mian is every desire. I put fancy in there, every desire.
I think Sanus was the same as want in the sentence.
Yeah, so mas mian lat really means if it is a desire with you. Okay, mas mian lat. Okay. So 28, tatu iak asan wishananish. So tatu you are iak pain, as and you iak as something you pay for. Okay. Iak as and wish shin for that foolishness. Anish. So wish is foolishness. Okay. Like I said earlier, you can say iki tu as, you'll pay for it. Okay. Right, so you're gonna get it, right? 29. An ishin and tain korla tagadom ajiri kolam gami hasta. So, is that the only advice you have for me? An ishin is that, and tain korla, the only or the one advice. Korla is feminine, so that's why it's ishin instead of ashin. So is she the only advice you have for me? Okay, so an ishin and tain korla, the only advice ta agat that you have dom for me. A jiri kolam, asked kolam, go mi hasta, unhappily, or I know you had a better word for it than that. Gloomily, or something like that. Yeah. Okay. The word sasta means happy, contented, satisfied. Okay. So you can ask, what to sasta? Are you happy? You can use it. Say, bema sasta, I would be happy to do that. Okay. All right. Mi hasta is the opposite, discontented, okay, unhappy. All right. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna read through them all, and then we'll go around once, and then we can do something good. Okay. So Thug an dochtúir srach echaint an gulaí chostasach a bhí cholam. Nach níanaan tú obair bit, chric cholam a chean. Ui me dúis mhór sa chranchúir náisiúnta tamala hin a dúirt silimion ghaire. Ní gadam ein obair a dhéanamh. Bhfuil ein chachah aimseir agad, galf na sport éigen den sort sin. Chric cholam a chean ar éis. Ní heníon aclaíocht lom, ach is maiom cairn a sportse chiamáint. Is docha gur cachah aimseir é sin. Rinne sé dreis gairir leis an nachtúir. Rinne sesin trein iarach a híhas a chineal faoi chrían. A bhfuil tú pósta? Nílam. Is docha go míonn tú a máil san ihe de gná. Sméid cholam a chean. Ní fiúdom éirí rib amláin. Is minic nach mím a hí rib an tróna. An sin cacham an ihe globícha éigen. Tá an scéal seo ansiimplí a dúirt an dochtúir go ciúin.